Game over. You've clicked on this video and you're about to learn the 4 steps to changing your beliefs and having literally the most successful next couple of months of your entire life. I'm not going to over exaggerate this video, although it might seem like it. I'm just so damn excited to create this for you today. And for those people who actually have longer attention spans and want to learn this, you are in for a treat. If you have a short attention span because you're a goldfish, and I was actually going to show you a goldfish, but I have no goldfish. I created it in my head. See, whatever I create in my mind, it becomes a reality. Call me crazy, but that's my life right now, because I'm not distracting myself with anyone or anything or any situation. Anyways, we're going to get straight into it. The best way to learn from anyone who has particular knowledge, who has experience like I have when I've coached so many men in my industry, as well as having the discipline and having the body that I have and building everything that I've done with like my money, my relationships, my experiences. Sometimes what you have to understand is listening to those extra crazy people who have this advice can actually really help you. Because when you become so delusional in your beliefs, and this is what we're talking about today, a 4-step system. When you become so delusional in your beliefs, would you rather have delusion, or would you rather be 1 foot in, 1 foot out and feel like you don't know what to do with your life and you're struggling, like, God, it's so warm, and you're struggling to even like have discipline, to stop being lazy? I would rather stop searching, stop trying to put myself in a position to be someone that I wish I could be, and just be delusional about everything. And once you do it for a period of time, you ultimately attract or become that thing. So if you want to be disciplined, you be delusionally, savagely pursuing your relentless pursuit of your success. You do that every single day, all right? But you have to build on it. So let me tell you straight away now what the 4-step system is. We're going to get straight into it. Okay, there's no filter on this channel. On my main channel, there is a bit of a filter. Sometimes the videos are scripted, but it's more for a broader audience. Now, for this channel, if you're a man, this is for you, most likely. If you're a woman watching this, this can also be for you, but mainly this is for men, this channel. I'm not singling out women or anything like that. Now, this channel is future-proofing the future of man. Okay, so helping you to allow different situations where you won't be cucked by society and put down and made to be weaker than everything around us is already making us to be. All right, so stick around with this journey. Number 1, I always say this on every video pretty much now. Number 1 is don't date until you're 28. All right. Now, ask me any questions if you have on that. I'm going to create a full video on the male advantage journey. Number 2 is solidify your beliefs, do the shadow work, okay, for a long period of time. And number 3 is just be savage and relentless and brutally honest with not only yourself, but to other people. Guarantee you it pays off in the end. And people love that authenticity. So that's what we did on this channel. Let's take a deep breath. Let's get into this. We've got a pen for no reason. We're not even going to be using it. We're going to be talking directly to you, and you better take notes. Okay? The first thing, beliefs. The second thing, actions. The third thing, results. And the 4th thing, feedback. Okay? Now, I want you to keep that in mind as we talk about some of these things throughout this video and what exactly you could do. But first, let me tell you what the highest elite performers do when they have someone coaching them. And by the way, before I carry on, you can join one of the 2 links down below. I've got people there that I'm coaching that are having massive success with taking from the root that which is causing them pain and the failure of life, and making them more successful as a result, because they understand how that works, and my coaching helps with that. And then obviously you can just join a free community completely for free, right? And you can watch the video if you're interested. So the elite performers, what do they all have in common? They all have in common self-awareness. What also do they have in common? Mentorship, coaching. All right, they have coaches. And this video will be kind of a very brief coaching session for you to make those beliefs of yours very strong. So that's what we're going to do in this video. And one of the things that these elite performers have, number 1, as part of self-awareness, is the questions you ask yourself, the things you tell yourself. Okay? and how brutal and honest you are with those answers that you provide to yourself, whether they're actual answers that will help you or not, it doesn't matter, but the self-awareness and observation you must have in order to succeed, that comes from having a coach, that comes from having a mentor. And so that's one key reason why every successful person who has massive amounts of wealth from the ground up, Nikola Tesla, right, Albert Einstein, they all had a figure that they had in their mind, a person that they spoke to, that had conversations with, and ultimately brought them to their position that they currently are in now. All right. The first question, the beliefs. What are your beliefs? What are your beliefs about your health, relationships, wealth? Put that down, take notes, and answer that question with one simple sentence. All right. Are your beliefs shaped by those around you, your parents, your teachers, and that, or are they based on cold hard facts? That's the second thing for beliefs. This is going to change your life if you listen very carefully to this video. That's beliefs. We're going to get onto now actions. What 3 actions that I could take every day to get towards my goal? Now, this is the very key part here to be able to take action. You want to ask yourself, how much of my life is signal? How much of my life is noise? Now, this is actually from Steve Jobs, and he was very brutally honest to the people that he coached when it came to business and life. And he was an absolute crazy guy, like from what I've learned and studied and observed and experienced too. You have to analyze what your signal and your noise is. And this is something he mentioned. So signal is your actions. So again, 3 actions. What are they? And I like to do it out of 100, the percentage. So my life feels like right now, my life is 95% signal, 5% noise. And I can cold-heartedly say that. And I love it. All right? That's for actions. What's stopping you from taking action? That's another question you should ask yourself. All right? So remember, beliefs, actions, results, feedback. This stuff is life-changing. If you don't listen to this, you don't need any other video anymore. And if this sounds interesting to you and you want my help, then join the links down below. Seriously. You're wasting so much time and so much months and years if you don't have someone helping you do this. That's why I'm here every step of the way. Now, next. Those are the 2 questions you want for actions. Results. Have I received results from undertaking such actions? Yes or no? If no, test, iterate, go back to the beliefs and ask yourself the same questions. Go back to the video, make sure you take notes on what those questions were. If yes, then continue and refine and what I like to call maintain. Reminding to maintain. That's all you do. Because if you have a high, you will have a low. This is the law of polarity. So you want to maintain, you want to be neutral, you want to continue, if yes, to the results. If they are starting to breed, you must continue that. Do the same thing over and over again. Okay? Simple. That's for results. Feedback. This is the loop that you close. Whether it's yes or no doesn't matter if you get the results. But the feedback, you want to ask yourself, who can I ask about this? That won't degrade me, that won't demotivate me, that won't be negative. Now, this is where mentorship comes into play, because then you can ask me, then you can ask a group of people who are you in a group of people that you are in, right? With part of, who are actually wanting you to grow and to see you win. That feedback loop, believe me, it is completely and utmost paramount to your success. Mark my words. All right? So who can you ask? Now, whether you choose to close this loop and receive feedback, does it matter? It does matter. But if you decide to just, if you see the results if you see the results and you don't have feedback, fair enough. But if you don't see results, do not be offended that someone gives you brutal advice in the space that you're in. So if you're in social media, if you're in personal development, and that feedback loop closes by asking for feedback, because that's extremely important. That's how you test and iterate. That's how every successful product was ever created. That's how every successful person who has been formed to the way they are. You go to the gym, you don't perform well in the gym, you have to test and iterate, you have to get feedback from coaches, from certain opinions, and so on. Do not let this affect you, though. Have the feedback from the right people. They'll just blatantly go and try to find out from a random person who actually doesn't even give a shit about you. Okay. Remember, join the link down below if you want this absolute formidable plan set for yourself, as well as the shadow work part, which is way deeper and way more interesting. If this doesn't interest you in joining the mentorship, and I keep telling you this because I don't want you to miss this opportunity. This is not me trying to sell you crap. The community is completely for free. God damn it. People just don't want to take help because they believe there's a catch. That's a belief that you have that limiting you. So again, do these 4 things, go back into this video, make sure you take the notes, thank me in the comments, and do what I tell you in this video, because it will transform every area of your life, your health, your wealth, or relationships. All right? So I appreciate you watching this video. That is literally it. Remember, follow beliefs, actions, results, feedback. I could have done this on my whiteboard, but I had a whole entire, as you can see, line by line, my creed for life. That which you will not be able to see because I will not show you because the background is blurred. It is my creed statement, that which I call the certain way. It is God's will. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And as always, I don't care if I say it on this channel or any video, I love you and I want you to have the success that you deserve. All right, so I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, guys. See you later.